Meet SafetyCulture, the workplace operations platform for teams of every size. We're here to give you the knowledge, tools, and confidence to work safely, meet higher standards, and improve every day. Let's see it in action. This is Aaron. He's starting his day at the warehouse. He's just received a notification for a site walkthrough. Using a custom template, he runs through the check, highlighting what looks good and what needs attention. Aaron then assigns follow-up tasks to his team, with automatic notifications to ensure the work gets done. Walkthrough complete. After checking his to-do list, Aaron is on to the next task. Looks like the team needs some new supplies. Using SafetyCulture, Aaron has access to a catalog of pre-approved items. With a few simple clicks, he places an order, and the supplies are on their way. Now, here's Noah. He's gearing up for the day's customer deliveries. A quick scan instantly brings up the vehicle's asset profile in SafetyCulture, allowing him to check and confirm he's set for the road. It's all systems go. Back at the warehouse, Aaron is loading up the orders. In a rush to stay on schedule, he leaves the cool room door open. Luckily for him, SafetyCulture sensors detect the change and send him an alert, so Aaron can act fast and prevent the stock from spoiling. With everything on board, Noah can start his rounds. First up is Sarah, one of the local retailers. While unboxing, Sarah discovers an issue with the order's packaging. She needs to notify her supplier. By scanning the QR code, she is able to report the issue directly in their SafetyCulture account, automatically notifying the right people so they can fix the problem quickly. Meanwhile, overseeing Aaron's team is Lena. With real-time insight into what's happening across her operations, she uncovers a pattern: multiple packaging issues in a month. It's time to tackle this head-on. Using SafetyCulture, Lena sends out a quick video to her team, alerting them immediately to the problem. Here, she can keep track of who has or hasn't seen the message. But it doesn't end there. Lena wants to upskill her team to prevent it from happening again. She enters a short prompt, and within moments, an AI-generated course appears, all ready for her to fine-tune and share. With SafetyCulture in the hands of every team member, businesses of any size can build a culture of improvement. It's the power of knowing what's working, what's not, and what to do about it, all from one platform. SafetyCulture, a better way of working.